Okay, now that I've rolled the edges here, I'm just roping them now. So it's just a very slow process, but has to be done one hit at a time. Here, I'll kind of show you what I'm doing as I go along. Yeah, this chisel has to be on kind of like a 45-degree angle. Just got to keep that process up until it's done.